Welcome to Kentrol's Hood Hinge Installation Guide for Jeep's 2018 to 2027 Wrangler JL and Gladiator JT. Step 1. Begin by removing any accessories you may have mounted to your hood. Using a knife, carefully cut around the factory hood mounts trim to separate the paint from the mounts. Step 2. Next, we will need to remove your Jeep's windshield wipers. To do this, remove the cap covering your wiper's bolt, followed by removing the nut with a 15mm socket. After removing the nut, there are two ways you can remove the wiper blades. One way is to take your windshield wiper and shake it back and forth, followed by popping it off of the bolt and setting it aside. Another way is to take a pair of vice grips and clamping the top of your bolt with the underside of your wipers till they pop off. After removing your windshield wipers, pry up and remove your hood's plastic panel. Be careful not to tear the screen underneath. Step 3. With the 15mm short socket or wrench, remove the bolts retaining the factory hood hinge's back plate. Then, remove the hood hinge's bolts with a T50 Torx bit, followed by removing the factory hinges. Step 4. Clean the area under your hinge and paint if desired. Then, take your replacement hood hinge and hold the hinge liner up to the back of your hinge. Place your hinge on the top of your hood using the holes to help with the alignment. With your hinge in place, take the included hardware and screw them into place. Then, use a 15mm short socket or wrench to screw in the back plate's bolts and a T40 Torx bit to screw in the top bolts. Step 5. After screwing in your hardware, take your plastic panel and set it back on top of your hood. Once aligned, press down firmly to snap it back in place. Then, slide the windshield wipers back onto their bolts and reinstall the nuts using a 15mm socket. Finally, reinstall any accessories you may have removed in step 1. Then you're done!